In this video, we are going to learn how to create or change the shortcut of the application menu command in Photoshop 2024. At the beginning of the video, go to the menu bar. Click on Edit. Click on Keyboard Shortcut. Click on the shortcut for. Click on Application menu. From here, select an application menu command of your choice. I am selecting Grayscale. Now press Ctrl+G from the keyboard. If you want, you can press any other key along with the Ctrl key. Click on the Accept button. Click on the OK button. Click the Don't Show Again checkbox. Click on Discard. You can see that I applied the Grayscale command through the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G. Let's take another look. Press Ctrl+G. You can see that Ctrl+G is set next to the Grayscale command. Thanks for watching the video.